Welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Dr. Divan, and the lecture today is on the topic of bacterial pneumonia. In this lecture, we'll go through the pathogenesis of bacterial pneumonia, what is community-acquired pneumonia, what is typical pneumonia, what is atypical pneumonia, and what are the basic organisms which are responsible for causing community-acquired pneumonia. It will also include pneumococcal pneumonia, it will include streptococcal pneumonia, its pathogenesis, how it will be differentiated on the histological slide, what influenza brings to the table in community-acquired pneumonias, what catarrhalis will do in this procedure, and we will talk about staphylococcus aureus and how methicillin-sensitive and resistant strains are differentiated from each other. And then we're going to talk about Klebsiella pneumonia, and finally we're going to talk about aeruginosa and pneumophilia. In this lecture, we'll talk about mycoplasma pneumonia, that how it's going to be affected by this organism when it's already having another pathology. For watching the whole video, please subscribe to sqadia.com. Thank you for watching.